Hello friends, welcome to the Cloud and Data Science channel. After long break, today I am doing this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming labs. This will keep motivating me for more good videos. In today's video, we are going to see what is Lakehouse, how Azure Synapse can be used to implement Lakehouse architecture. We are going to see how to build Lakehouse with Azure Synapse, and then when to use Serverless SQL Pool, and when to use Serverless Spark Pool, and finally when to use dedicated SQL Pool. We are also going to see what is Azure Synapse Link, that is one of the latest feature in the Azure Synapse Analytics. Lakehouse is equal to data lake plus data warehouse. Lakehouse is nothing but it provides the capabilities of both data lake as well as data warehouse. As we know, data lake supports for storing unstructured, semi-structured and structured data, large volumes of data. It supports data lake is used to perform big data analytics and data science and machine learning experiments. Data warehouse is used to store data in the form of fact tables and dimension tables. It is used for generating the reports and dashboards for business users. It supports ACID properties. So, Lakehouse, Azure Synapse provides the capabilities of both data lake and data warehouse using the Azure Synapse Analytics. Now we will see what is dedicated SQL pools. Azure Synapse Analytics provides dedicated SQL pool. What is happening in my business? So, to get the answer to this question, dedicated SQL pool helps to us. How it provides answer? So, it creates persistent data warehouse using the dedicated SQL pool. Then users can perform the analysis using the data in the persistent data warehouse. So this is useful for the descriptive analytics. Next, what is serverless SQL pools? Serverless SQL pools provides the capability to answer the question why it is happening. It is useful for performing ad hoc queries directly on the data lake data. We can perform on-demand queries, and the cost is only for the queries executed. It is managed by the Azure. So it is used for diagnostic analytics. Next, what is Spark SQL Pool? Spark SQL Pool provides the answer to the question what is likely to happen in future. That is for predictive analytics. So it is also serverless and managed one. It is it can be integrated with Azure Machine Learning, Azure Databricks. We can create a notebook and execute Azure Machine Learning models, and this is useful for the predictive analytics. Finally, we are going to see what is Azure Synapse Link. Azure Synapse Links is used to perform the analysis of the data on the near real time or real time data. It can be integrated with Azure Cosmos DB and Stream Analytics for performing the analysis of real time data. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see labs for each of these concepts. We will create serverless SQL pool, dedicated SQL pool, and Spark SQL pool, and also Azure Synapse Link. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.